Hi, we are Group 4 of S17. In this video, I will show you how to remove a virus without using any antivirus. Most antivirus programs are unable to detect them, and even if they do, in most cases, they are unable to delete the file, only quarantine it. In this video, I will show you how to delete them. I will guide you by following the instructions on the notepad. So, the first step is to run the command prompt. After you run the command prompt, select the drive that the virus has affected. In my case, drive J is the drive that has a virus. To choose the drive, type the letter of the drive, then add colon to select the drive. To see the content of the drive, type dir. The next step is to type the following in the CMD. By typing the following, this will remove the read-only, archive, system, and hidden file attribute from all the files. Type again dir to check for unusual files. Okay, so in my case, .exe file and autorun.inf are the harmful files. To rename the file, type in the CMD rename space the file that you want to rename space the new file name. By doing this, you can now access the drive that the virus has affected. MNTDRCORE is the harmful .exe file, and AA is the renamed autorun.inf. By following these instructions, you can successfully delete the harmful files.